I'm now at Shibuya Station on the Tokyo Metro Fukutoshin Line. I was planning to transfer to the Ginza Line, but there's a problem. The Fukutoshin Line platforms are on the 5th basement level, while the Ginza Line platforms are on the 3rd floor above ground. That's 8 levels apart. It's a kind of distance that doesn't really show up on the map. If you are heading to Asakusa, most route planners will simply tell you to change to the Ginza Line here. But today, I'd like to try a different route. Hello, I'm Nobuko. Instead of heading to the Ginza Line, I'm going to transfer to the Hanzomon Line. It's not right next door and there is still some walking involved. But in my experience, it's much easier than making the full transfer to the Ginza Line. Here's an elevator to the Hanzomon Line platforms. If you have luggage or stroller, this may be the easiest option. Today, however, I'm going to show you the route using the escalators and the stairs. Basically, all you need to do is look for the purple signs and follow them. Purple is the color used for the Hanzomon Line throughout the station. Here's a useful trick for getting around Tokyo. Each subway line has its own color. Once you start paying attention to them, navigating the system becomes much easier. We are not there yet. Next, we'll go up another level. After climbing the stairs, we are finally at the Hanzomon Line platform. It may feel like we've walked quite a bit already, but trust me, the transfer to the Ginza Line at Shibuya is even longer. If you are trying to get to Asakusa, don't worry. Just take the Hanzomon Line one stop to Omotesando and transfer to the Ginza Line there. It's much easier than changing lines at Shibuya. And if you are heading to Tokyo Skytree, you're already on the right train. Just stay on the Hanzomon Line and keep going. We've arrived at Omotesando Station. To reach the Ginza Line, simply walk across to the opposite platform. And that's it. The train on the other side is already the Ginza Line. You can recognize it by the orange station signs. Orange is the Ginza Line's color. Just to make sure, let's check the back of this sign. On the other side, the signs are purple, the color of the Hanzomon Line. That's how close these two lines are at Omotesando. Having the other subway line right across the platforms makes this transfer surprisingly easy. Many visitors from overseas never discover this little shortcut. So if you are traveling from Shibuya to Asakusa, why not try it for yourself? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. またね。